everyone, this is Stephen Balch, your instructor for Computer Information Systems at Ozarka College. Today what I'd like to do is give you a little bit of feedback on the Module 6 activities that I finished grading this morning. And then I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we've got coming up due for our next set of module activities for Module 7. Alright, so the first thing is, like I said, I did finish grading the Module 6 activities this morning. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and look at your grades for those activities and read the corresponding grading comments. Let me know if you have any questions. Most of you did well on the Module 6 activities, so it's obvious that most of you are putting the time and effort in that's required on these activities, so I really appreciate that, so keep up the good work on that. There were some of you who didn't submit the Module 6 activities for some reason. I'm not sure what happened there, but just as a reminder, if you're having any problems with the activities for the class or you have questions, feel free to ask me those questions, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have or help you out in any way I can. Another thing I need to remind you about is the importance of checking the course page in MyOzarka on a regular basis, at least once each day, just to remind yourself of things that are coming up due fairly soon. And I think some of you kind of waited too late to get to check on the due dates, and you just kind of forgot about the Module 6 activities, which were due Friday. So just for future module activities, make sure that you get started early enough on those activities to give yourself plenty of time. And again, check the course page in MyOzarka on a regular basis, again, at least once a day, so that you can remind yourself of those things that are coming up due, so that you don't forget, okay, and miss a whole set of activities. All right. Hopefully those students who didn't submit the work this time will get back on track for the next set of activities. Again, if you're having any problems with the activities, if you have questions, just let me know, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you have. Okay. All right. So that brings us to what we've got coming up due for our next set of activities. So if we go to the activities page in MyOzarka, right now we're on week 10 of the semester, beginning of week 10. And you'll notice there's nothing due this week, but there is work due the first day of next week. Okay, so you've got a little bit under a week to get the Module 7 activities completed and submitted. So you should already be working on those. If you haven't gotten started on those, go ahead and do that this week as soon as you can. And as you're working on those activities, let me know if you have questions. And again, I'll be glad to help you in any way I can. Module 7 is where you're going to learn about the various input devices for a computer, such as keyboards, pointing devices, touch screens, pen input, voice and video input, scanners, and reading devices. You'll also learn about output devices as well, such as displays, printers, speakers and headphones, data projectors, and interactive whiteboards. So Module 7 basically takes you through all the various types of input devices for a computer, as well as all of the output devices for a computer. All right. So again, be working on those activities. Use the learning resources that are available to you, such as the textbook, the PowerPoint slides that I provided on the assignment page, and then also your videos that I've linked for you that cover the concepts presented in Module 7. So make use of all those resources, and most of you have been doing that. So just keep up the good work on that. And let's see. Yeah, like I said, just let me know if you have questions as you're working on those activities. and just don't let it sneak up on you, because it is due. Those sets of activities are due the first day of next week, which is Sunday, October 29th. All right, so don't wait until Sunday to get started, because you probably won't have time to get everything completed and submitted on time. So go ahead and be working on it this week, and that way you have plenty of time to get those activities submitted. Okay, so other than that, I don't have anything else for today. So enjoy the rest of your week and your weekend, and I will probably talk to you again sometime early next week. Thank you.